Akala ko nalampasan ko na ang takot. Hirap at kahinaan ko noon. But look at me. I am still under of someone's power. When I got tired of crying, I washed my face, but I gasped as I opened the door when there's someone grabbed my arm and pinned it to the wall. His jaw was tightened while staring at me deeply. Sobrang kinabahan ako nang halos durugin niya ang braso ko. Bitiwan mo ako! Galit na wika ko. Stop flirting, my friend. Ayokong isa sa malalapit sa akin ay lalapitan mo rin. Hindi lang perang habol mo, kundi isa kang mababang babae. Because you can steal money from me? You targeted Henry? Who else, ha? Bitiwan mo ako. Sumusobra ka na. At wala kang pakialam kung lahat ng lalaki ay lapitan ko. Get a life of your own. Because I cried as he squeezed my mouth. I really cried painfully because it was really hurt. Lalo na nung idinikit niya ako sa pader. Tumigil ka. You forgot that you are staying in my house. You have no right for talking back. You're just a woman who ruined my life. So I will do whatever I want to. I can't take my son anywhere without you. Napaiyak ako at napahawak sa magkabilang pisngi nang lumabas siya ng room. He pushed me through the wall and my back felt sore. Napayakap ako sa sarili ko. I wanted to escape from him. But how? Sobrang layo nga namin noon. Pero kahit lumipas ang matagal na panahon, nahanap niya pa rin kami. Hindi ko alam kung alam niya ba talaga noon palang nabuntis ako. Kaya basta na lang niya kami pinahanap. I stood up when the door opened. I saw the maid looking at me. Pinapatawag ka ni Madam. Nasa living room siya. I don't want to face her. I don't want to see anyone except Dexter. Pero wala dito ang anak ko. I just nodded at her and I said I'm coming. Nag-ayos ako ng sarili at naghilamos tsaka ako naglakad palabas. When I'm near to the living room, I saw a lot of people taking a glance with me. Makes me ashamed of my look. I saw Trina looking at me while her left eyebrow was raising up. Sa tabi niya ay si Jericho. And on the other side is her mom. Si Gabriel at isang babae na nakakapit sa braso niya. Oh, you're here. I want you to cook for the dinner so that you can be useful. May bisita kami and make sure that you can make it delicious. Sabi ni Madam Isabel. Gustong-gusto kong agawin si Dexter sa kanila at itakbo palayo. I stopped my tears because at this moment I'm alone right now. Wala na sa tabi ko si Gabriel, kundi nasa tabi nila. Pakiramdam ko wala akong kakampi. You heard it, Marga? You're not a princess here, my gosh. And siguraduhin mo lang na wala kang ilalagay sa pagkain. Sabat ni Trina. And to their surprise, I just give her a genuine smile. Yes, I am hurt. And if I would not console my own self, I'm sure mapapahagulgul ako ng iyak sa mismong harap nila. Yes, Madam. And don't worry, Trina. Hindi ako ganun kasama tulad mo para gawan kayo ng masama. Excuse me. I made a fake smile and exit myself. Mama, sama ako! Napalingon ako nang tumakbo si Dexter papunta sa akin. I held his small hand and we walked together. Pagdating ng kusina, hindi ko mapigilang yakapin siya. I thought I'm going to be alone. Thanks for this blessing, my son. Upo ka lang dyan, ha? Magluluto si Mama ng favorite mo. He smiled at me and I can stop myself to kiss him. Okay, but I want to help po. Pwede? I smiled at him and I nodded. I read the recipes when the maid handed me the recipe book sa dapat lulutuin ngayon. Sorry, Marga, hindi ka namin matutulungan. Dapat trabaho namin to. She said and I just smiled at her. It's okay. Kaya ko to. Tumango siya sa akin at umalis na dahil lahat sila ay pinagbawalan daw na gumalaw dito sa kitchen. That old woman really want me to get supper. Pareho lang sila ng anak niyang arrogante. Nag-slice ako ng mga vegetables for pinakbet. And I got ready the meat na isasahog ko. But I suffered as I saw a big hand holding the bowl. Can I help? He asked and I just stared at him. Wag na, Jericho. Okay lang ako. No, let me, Marga. Paano to? Sabay angat niya sa ampalaya. Wow, Uncle! Tulong ka rin sa amin ni Mama? Of course, tabi tayo dyan. So, Marga, should I slice this one? Sige. Yung medyo maliit lang, salamat. I saw him staring at me and smiled as I thanked him. No, thank you. Napakunot noo ako at napalingon sa kanya na ngayon ay naghihiwa na ng gulay. Siguro hindi siya sinundan ni Trina dahil busy yon kakabantay kay Gabriel. At sa bagong babae na naman nito. I'm sure nag-uusok na ang ilong niya sa selos. Mama, ang bango! I take a look to Dexter and I smiled at him. Kinarga siya ni Jericho at sabay pa silang sumilip sa niluluto ko. It smells so good. Magaling ka pala magluto? Hindi naman, marunong lang. Pagkatapos kong lutuin yung isang dish ay naghanda ulit ako para sa iba. Yes, this would be tiring but I enjoy it. I really like cooking. Pinaupo niya ulit si Dexter sa chair at lumapit sa akin. Ako na, he said. No, ako na. Bumalik ka na dun sa loob baka kung ano pang isipin ni Trina. I saw him smiled and shook his head. I don't care. She's just my flirt and we both know that. We haven't commitment and label but I don't know why she's always here. Napatingin ako sa kanya kaya pala parang hindi sila magkarelasyon kung umasta. Pero hindi niya alam kung anong pakay ni Trina ngayon. It was his twin and it's Gabriel. Nais niya sanang sabihin sa mabait na binata. Saktong paghawak ko ng matulis na bagay ay ganun din ang paghawak niya. So he was holding my left hand right now. Napaigtad ako nang bigla na lang may pumasok ng kitchen at sobrang lakas ng pagkasara niya ng pinto. Mabilis kong binawi ang kamay ko dahil sa gulat. Nabitiwan ko ang matulis na bagay when I saw Gabriel staring at us. Usually in our hands. Napakabog ng sobrang bilis yung puso ko dahil naalala ko bigla yung sinabi niyang ayaw niyang isa man sa malalapit sa kanya ay lapitan ko. I know I'm not flirting his brother. But I know that he's thinking right now that I did. Daddy, help ka rin ba kay Mama? Uncle Jericho and I help her po. But he just stared at me and to his twin. Na ngayon ay naglakad papunta sa niluluto ko. I saw his eyes turn to red like a burning fire again. He clenched his jaw and he just stopped the head of Dexter. And naglakad papunta ng ref. When did you cook? It's a miracle. Tanong niya kay Jericho. But I can sense the unnamed tone in his voice. I just want to help actually. Marga cooked all of this. She's really a good woman for cooking and every man's dream of. You know what, Marga? Your future husband is so very grateful for having you. I heard Henry is courting you. Napalunok ako sa sinabi niya. Imbis na matuwa ay tila sinusunog ako ng mga tingin ng ama ni Dexter. And I don't want to see his eyes. Of how mad it was. He's not courting me. Sagot ko kay Jericho. And he stared at me holding the ladle. Oh, I just heard. So wala ka palang manliligaw ngayon? Hey Dexter, payag ka bang ligawan ko ang mama mo? Napakabog yung dibdib ko sa sinabi niya. Po, what is it, Uncle? I heard Jericho laughing while looking at me. Nothing, just kidding. Walang may nagsasalita pagkatapos niyang sabihin yon. Then he pointed the ladle at me para tikman ang lasa ng niluto ko. Inabot ko ang sandok but he raised it up. Come on. Taste it now if okay na. I was shaking as I tasted it. Nasa malapit lang namin si Gabriel at natatakot ako na baka mamaya isampalin niya na ako dahil baka sabihin niyang nakikipagbabutihan ako kay Jericho. Nag-iwas ako ng tingin ng tinikman niya rin yon. And it was came from my mouth from Pete's sake. And next thing I know, I saw Gabriel turning his back from us and he slammed the door hardly. Napatingin ako kay Jericho habang natatawa at napapailing habang inilipat sa bowl yung niluto ko. He also helped me to prepare the table together with Dexter. We were now sitting on the chairs. Nakayuko lang ako habang kumakain. At parang ayoko nang kumain because I can felt someone staring at me. Nasa harap namin ni Dexter yung ama niya na sinusubuan pa ng babae. But she stood up as Trina dumped her a 1 glass of juice. Oh my! Reaksyon niya at pati si Gabriel ay napatayo. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry na bitawan ko kasi. Sabi ni Trina and I know it was her intention to dump her. If I know she's jealous. Agad akong napatayo na magkaroon ng pagkakataon nung tapos na si Dexter. And he said he's sleepy. I talked to him that he needs to wait some minutes before go to sleep kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain. Hindi na ako nakainom ng tubig and I excused myself and Dexter para dalhin siya sa room. Pagdating namin sa loob, he sat down on the bed. After that, pumasok kami ng banyo. And I brushed his teeth. And the same as mine. After that, inaliw ko muna para hindi agad makatulog. I read some fairy tale stories and I let him sleep after. Bumukas yung pinto at nakita ko ulit yung isang kasambahay. Alam kong may ipapagawa na naman ng madam nila sa akin. Marga, gusto ni madam ikaw yung maghugas ng plato. Sige, saglit lang. I didn't complain. They didn't know I love doing household chores. Besides, I have no right for complaining because this is not my house. Paglabas ko'y dumiretso ako sa kitchen. I saw the dishwasher machine. But I don't mind. Mas gusto kong kamayin. Oh, look who's here! Bagay na bagay sa'yo, Marga. Nakita ko si Trina papalapit sa akin. Trina, ikaw pala. The mastermind of all. Don't worry, hindi ko pa nasabi. But someday lalabas lahat ng baho mo. I heard her laughing and raised her left eyebrow while looking at me from head to toe. Walang maniniwala sa'yo, Marga. Dahil ikaw naman talagang may kasalanan ng lahat dahil sa pera. You're a liar. Sabi mo na wala ang baby mo. But later on, ako nang magiging mommy ni Dexter. At hindi na ikaw. Kasi papalayasin ka ni Gabriel dito. She whispered and I just stared her when she walked away. Napapikit ako sa sobrang inis. I let out a deep sigh and continue washing the plates. When someone interrupted me. Akong magbabanlaw, but you need to teach me if how to. Napalingon ako sa kanya. Don't mind to help, Jericho. Thank you na lang. No. This is our house, supposedly ang mga maids ang gumagawa nito. And to be responsible is kami talaga. But I know the reason why mom doing this. And I'm against with her and the same to my twin for treating you like this. You're not a maid, Marga. You're the mother of my nephew. So I have to protect you and please let me help. I get in touch with his words. And I'm wondering if how did he become the twin of that arrogant. Become the son of that terror old woman. Nagpapasalamat na lamang siya at napakabait ni Jericho sa kanya at alam niya na swerte rin ng babaeng mamahalin nito. Hinayaan ko na lang siya at dahil hindi pala siya marunong I have to teach him. But I felt uncomfortable the way he took glances and smiled on me. What's the meaning of this? Kapwa kaming napalingon nang marinig ko ang boses ng ina nila. When I saw her, she's with Gabriel and he's staring at us deeply. I just helped her, Mom, and I didn't expect this gonna be enjoyable. Thanks, Marga. I learned such things to you. You're not just a good mother of my nephew, but one of a kind. Hamakin mo hindi ka katulong tapos susundin mo ang utos ni Mom? What is your point, Jericho? Tanong ng ina niya. My point is you are wrong for doing this to her, Mom. And to you, Gabriel. She's the mother of your son. Yes, I don't know what she sacrificed before for your son. But, hindi mo man lang yun nakita? Then what you wanted to say, huh? Galit na sigaw niya dito. Pinigilan ko si Jericho but he just looked at me. She ruined my life and I don't care if she's the mother of my son. Because she won't be if she don't plan it. At dapat si Jana ang ina ng anak ko at hindi siya. I was hurt when he says that I should not be the mother of Dexter. Sobrang sakit. Bakit akala niya ba gusto kong siya ang ama ng anak ko? Well, hindi rin. Mayabang pala siya eh. Stop this nonsense. Nag-aaway kayo because of that woman? Stop! Sabi ng ina nila. I'm sorry if this is happening, Ma'am. Sabi ko kay Madam Isabel. Hindi ko na kaya ang sakit. I'm really hurt. But to tell you, Sir Gabriel, I never been dreaming of you to be the father of my son. Ayaw mo man akong pakinggan kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari noon. Because all you know is I planned it all. Ni kahit isang segundo sa buhay ko hindi ko pinangarap ang tulad mo. At papatunayan ko yan ngayon pa lang. Excuse me. Agad akong umalis at patakbong dumiretso sa room namin. I cried when I totally closed the door. I never had a dream that I having a romantic scene with him. Never dahil hindi ko siya kilala noon. At kahit gaano siya ka-attractive, good-looking, or so whatever, I never idolized him. Usually when I already know his attitude. When he maltreated me once. Mas kinamuhian ko siya. Napakasama niya. Kung alam niya lang na kung gaano ko siya kinamumuhian noon pa lang. I do really hate him for not investigating the truth. Mapera siya, di ba? Bakit hindi niya alamin kung sino talagang sumira ng relasyon nila? Kainis siya. Ako na nga ang naagrabyado nila. I can't sleep. I just stared the ceiling and everything flashing back in my mind. Ako yung nakuha noon. Pero ako pang lumabas na may kasalanan. Bakit hindi niya pa imbestigahan yun? Kasi tiwalang-tiwala siya sa sinasabi ni Trina? Talagang wala pala siyang alam eh. I heard the wall clock ticking. It was 11 in the evening at kanina pa ako nauuhaw. Hindi ako nakainom ng tubig kanina. I stood up from the bed and walked towards the bathroom. Napatitig ako sa faucet. Ayokong lumabas at gusto ko nalang uminom dito. But I can't. The whole mansion was so quiet as I went out to the kitchen. Konting ilaw ang nakabukas at binuksan ko ang ref. I drank 1 glass of water and closed the refrigerator. But I felt something weird and suddenly goosebumps flowed out in my skin. My heart pounded as I walked heading my way to our room. But someone grabbed me at my wrist. And before I shouted, mabilis niyang tinakpan ang bibig ko. Kinaladkad niya ako paakit ng hagdan habang nakatakip pa rin sa bibig ko yung isang kamay niya. I struggled as he forcibly bring me into his room. He locked the door and my heart never stopped trembling. Hibang ka na talagang babae ka, no? After me, Henry, then after my friend, next target is my brother? Bitawan mo ako! No! Ano ba? Pilit kong itinulak si Gabriel. Nanginginig ako patakbo ng pinto, but he pulled my hair makes me cry. He pulled me till we reached his bed again, at bigla akong hinalikan. Please! Gabriel! Bitawan mo ako! My voice was shaking and my knees was turned into a jelly. As he pushed me again into his bed, mabilis niya akong dinaganan at hinalikan sa labi. Walang pag-aalinlangan na dinama ang katawan ko. Napahagulgul ako ng iyak. Nang muli ay nagawa akong makuha ni Gabriel. Wala akong ibang nararamdaman kundi ang pagkamuhi. Ginawa niya lahat ng gusto niyang gawin at wala akong nagawa. Paano makakatakas si Marga sa kamay ni Gabriel? At dito na po nagtatapos ang kabanata ng ating kwento. Maraming salamat po.